Importance of sanitation. Everyone must know about the adverse effects of poor sanitation. The problem is worst in villages where proper sanitation is not available. Villagers defecate in the open, on dry riverbeds, railway tracks, fields, and even directly in water. This causes water and soil pollution. Moreover, it contaminates and affects groundwater as well as surface water, resulting in diseases such as cholera, typhoid, polio, meningitis, hepatitis, and dysentery. The government is unable to provide proper sanitation through underground drainages. Also, lack of knowledge and of money, illiteracy, large population, and lack of social awareness results in improper sanitation. To avoid these problems, low-cost on-site sewage disposal systems should be used. These systems collect human excreta and store it in a hole or a pipe and later direct it to a sewage treatment plant. In the absence of a proper sanitation network, people can use some other mechanism for sewage disposal. The other mechanisms are septic tanks, composting pits, and vermi processing toilets.